Hello everyone. This is DSAT Maths Test 10 Module 1. Today we're going to try even numbered questions. Okay, this is number 2, Module 1. Okay, so the equation f of x is 8. The value of y is 8. What is the value of x? You have to solve the equation, right? X cubed minus 10x squared and plus x minus 2 equals to 8. That is equals to what? Minus 8 equals 0. Is okay. So this one will be minus 10. Okay. That is standard form. Now we need a factor. Okay. First two and last two. They might have a common factor. So x squared, x minus 10 plus x minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 10 x squared plus 1 equals 0, okay? But this cannot be 0. They have an imaginary number, right? X squared equals minus 1, isn't it? So actually, imaginary number plus minus I, right? But we're going to find the real, right? The value of x equals 10 is the answer, okay? Or you can use decimals, okay? I grabbed already over here. Exactly the same as this one, okay? This one equals this one. Or maybe you can use, okay, this is a negative 2, and the other one is y equals to 8, okay? They have an intersection, same thing. So we have, that's the value of x is 10, right? Yeah. So choice C is this, okay? Here is number 4. So we have a scatter plot, okay? The line of best fit is not shown up there. So we're gonna find out the best line of best, okay, the best fit, okay. So this one looks like this, and also option A to D are intercept form. Okay, so we better use x-intercept and y-intercept. That's the formula, right? X over A plus y over B equals to 1. That is intercept form. But this A is what? X-intercept around 8. B is what? Y-intercept around the 6. So x over 8 plus y over 6 equals to what is the answer, okay? So choice C is the answer. Number 6, the radius of circle. So it's very simple, right? Just find out a standard form of the circle, okay? So x minus 16, that is what? X minus a half of this one, negative h squared, that is equals, you add what? Plus 64 both sides, okay? Plus 64. So this is the perfect square trinomial replaced with what? Perfect squares. So we have to add 64 on your right hand side. A second one is this perfect square is what? Y plus half of this number, right? 6 squared. But we add 36, we replace with y plus 6 squared. So plus 36 again. But this is 100, that is the value of r squared. So r is how much? 10, right? It's very simple questions, okay? Right, here is number 8. Okay, the guys throw a ball aboard. The ball reaches the maximum height of 20 feet after 2 seconds. Okay, so after 2 seconds, it reaches what? Maximum height 20. Something like this. And the length over here, right? So at the back on the right after 4 seconds, the red looks like this. This one, you don't know, right? Okay. So which equation defines the relationship? What's the equation of this one? We have a vertex over here, okay? When x is 2, when time is t 2 seconds, it reaches what? 20. That is 2 and 20 is vertex. The equation generally y equals a times gap x times x minus 2 square and plus 20, the vertex form, right? When x is 2, y is 20. But we need to decide the value of a. How can you determine the value of a when t is 4, y is 0, okay? Y equals 0. Okay, h equals 0, y equals, this is h. A times x equals 4 minus 2 is what? 2 squared is 4 and plus 20. So a equals negative 5, isn't it? So the equation is I'm going to ht. ht equals negative 5 times x minus 2 squared and plus 20. We are not done, right? Okay. So we're going to change, right, the general form of here, okay? So negative 5 inside the parentheses x squared minus 4x and plus 4 and plus 20. So finally we got negative 5x squared plus positive 20x and negative 20 another positive 20 over here, right? So it's going to cancel out. Final equation of the equation, okay, final equation is negative 5x squared and plus 20x, okay? Using t, right? Okay. T, that's the answer, okay? Okay, I'm going to skip number 10, okay? That is not hard. Here we go, number 12. How many distinct real solutions, okay, that this equation have? Okay, I'll solve this one. 2x plus 4. Maybe you can simplify or you can factorize this one. Okay, directly I'm going to do this large x replace 4, okay? 2x plus 4 is this is a large x. So that's actually large x minus 8 times x and plus 16 equals 0, okay? So this is large x minus 4 square equals 0. X equals 4, okay? That's right. So what is that? This is 4. 4 equals 2x plus 4, right? So x equals what? 0, isn't it? So exactly what? One value, okay? 12 is what? B is the answer, okay? Or you can expand everything, okay? It doesn't matter in terms of little x. Or you can use decimals. Y equals, graph this one, and find out x-intercept. I'm going to use this graph, okay, using decimals. But it takes time, okay, always. Y equals, and 2x plus 4 and squared minus 2x plus 4 and plus 16. That's the graph over here. Okay. Where is solutions? 2x minus plus 4, oh, I'm sorry, this is 8, right? Okay, over here, 8. Only one, right? X equals 0, one intersection, okay? This is a tangent to the what x-axis, okay? Number B is the answer. Here is number 14. So left hand side, right hand side expression should be equal, right? Because they are true for value of x. This is we said identical equation, right? Left hand side, right hand side is actually same expression. So how can you find the value of k? Where is k? This is k is a coefficient of x. So we're gonna find the x term over here. To find the x term, we're gonna make, right, 5ax, and these two terms generate x terms, 5ax and 5bx. Okay, so from the equation we can quickly find the value of a, right? 15 is what is that? 5 times a is 15, so a equals 3, right? 5 times 3. Now take a look, constant 6. 5 times one number is 30. This is 6. Okay. So inside how much? 5 times 3x is what? 15x. Outside 5x times 6 is 30x. That is equals to what? 45x, right? That is equals to kx. So the value of k is 45. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, I'm gonna skip number 16. Okay, this one is very popular questions we did already. Okay, here is number 18. So we have a graph. Okay, so graph of f of x. This is graph of y equals to f of x. But we have some translation over here. Okay, so what that means? 2 unit right. That means 2 unit right and 1 unit up. That's right. Okay. Now you move this one. 2 unit right, 1 unit up. This is a new point. What is this one? 2 unit right, 1 unit up. Yeah. What is this point? 2 unit right, 1 unit up. Okay. You can make the line. Always, but the lines are parallel, right? Yeah, that is a new graph. But this time, where is the y-intercept? This point is a y-intercept. Okay, so 0 and 4 is the answer. Okay, using construction. Okay, all right. Here is number 20. That is a co-function, right? This is a co-function. If a plus b equals 90 degrees, these two angles are complementary. You can say this: sine A equals cosine B, or it's reciprocal, right? Cosecant A equals secant B, or tangent. Tangent A equals to cotangent B. Okay, so look like this one. Sine 20, you're going to switch cosine, that is cosine 70. Cosecant 20 equals secant 70. Tangent 70 equals cotangent 20, something like that. Okay, you can switch at times. But these two, cosine and sine is equal means the sum of these two angles is 90 degree, okay? That's the co-function. So 2x plus 30 and plus x plus 6 equals to 90. Okay, so 3x equals how much? This is 36. 90 minus 36 is what? 54, right? It is okay? All right. So you can divide by 3 equals what? 18. Okay, the value of x is 18 is the answer. Okay. Here is number 20. You know the box plot, okay? Box and physical plot. Just we simply say box plot, okay? So where is in the median? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over here, another 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the middle, right? That is median. It's okay. So we have two groups, left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side, which one is the middle? This one is in the middle. That is the first quartile, right? This one, number 20, is in the middle. That is the third quartile. This is the median is what? Second quartile. That's the box. Make a box. And to the minimum number is 5. Maximum number is 27. Okay? That is the box plot. I'm going to make a new box plot here. Here, here, here. That's it. So what is the interquartile range? The distance between these two, okay, quartile 3 and minus quartile 1, right? That difference is called interquartile range. So it's a 22, this is a 9, right? So 22 minus 9 is 13 is the answer, okay? from here to here, minimum to maximum, that is we set the range. Okay? Here is number 24. BC is 25 and AC is 12. If the ratio of AD to BD, AD to DB is what, 3 to 2, right? 3 to 2. Because what these two triangle ACD and triangle BCD has the same height. This is the same height. What, okay, using this height, what is the area of this triangle ACD? 3 times H and divided by 2, right? We are talking about the area of the triangle. The other side, 2, still this is the height, right? Yeah, 2 times H and divided by 2, that's the ratio of their area. This is the ratio of their area. When you simplify this one, 2t is out, H is out, still 3 to 2, right? Same ratio of this one. Okay? So the total area is how much? 12 times 25 over 2 equals 150, right? That is total area of this one. But this one is still 3 to 2, right? You're going to divide 3 to 2. Divided by 5 times 3, okay? Or 150, whole thing is 3 plus 2 is what? 5. We take only 3, right? So equals to 90 days, okay? This area is 90, the other area is what? 60, okay? 3 to 2. Here is number 26. The equation have two root, okay? A and B. K is constant. The difference between the root is 6. That means what? The two roots are the real, right? If imaginary, we don't know, okay? So what is the value of K? So if this is the graph of Y, before Y equals 0, okay? It's a graph of Y. It looks like this. We have a two root over here. The distance is 6. The distance here to here is, we know that's 6. What is the value of K? Okay, in the middle over here, right? What is the actual symmetry from the equation? Negative B over 2A, right? So negative 10 over 2A is 1, that is equals to 5, right? This is x equals to 5 over here. This is 5. But this is exactly a symmetry when, okay, in the what this actual symmetry, right? So 6 is, this is 3, the other one is also 3, right? Using this one, what is the coordinate this one? 5 minus 3 is 2. This coordinate, what is that? 5 plus 3 is what? 8. Then we have a 2 x-intercept. This graph actually in vector form x minus 2 and x minus 8. That's the vector form. We just the same with this one, right? Okay, now expand this one. X squared minus 10x plus 16, isn't it? The value of k equals 16. Okay, choice A is the answer. This is very important. Okay, remember how to solve this one. Okay, that's all in this video. Okay, I can see your module 2 of test 10 in next video. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thank you.